Right guys, so again, let's test something. So a ceiling fan. So you have instructions, all the things that you need, like screws, and you have a controller, and this is the fan here. And let's see how easy this is to install. It has light and has the fan here, as you guys can see. There we go. It comes with all the things that need to be installed, and hopefully will be straightforward. So you can use the controller, or you can use the app on your phone, and I will say I will prefer the app. So you have your phone here, you press appliance, and here we go. Bedroom. Let's have a look at the app. So you have the Bluetooth to connect, then you have how to dim your lamp. First of all, let's turn it on. So it's on. It's too bright now, I'm sorry, but you can dim it or change the color to warm. And look at this here, look, really cool. You have a nighttime if you have kids. If you have kids, a nighttime is a really good one. Let's put it like that. Then you have the fun. You can turn it step by step or put in max. And it's so silent. And it's on a max now. Very windy. But you can carry on. You have wind, and you have when you go to bed, so it changes the speed of the fan. And you have a timer. Without any doubt, one of the best fans out there. Price-wise and easy installation. I will recommend it.